Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll try to show you how to create a container inside the storage account via CLI commands. And as you can see here, I will select storage account. This is storage account, and here's the containers. And the most important parameter, or let's say, it will be access key. So to create a container via Python or Python CLI or even by via Azure DevOps pipeline CI/CD. We need this access key here. You need to have this access key, but I will try to show you here. So for instance, let me just see. This is the first command. I need to get the storage account key, the storage this one here. To get it manually, I mean automatically. I don't need to copy this and so what I can do is define the resource group. Let me just copy this, and you can open any terminal in any directory. Let's see, but when you need to upload the data, you have to be in the directory. Let's see where you would like to load the data. So let me define this variables. My resource group is demo 01, I think, and the storage account will be storage account will be CLI 01. Now let me get the storage account key using this command here. It will try to get access to this website here, Azure account, Azure ML, and get the storage account. And you can see, let's just print the storage account here. And you can see this is the storage account key. You also, as I mentioned in the beginning, you can get it from here. Okay, so the next step, as we already defined the resource group, by the way, you can just remove this and add your resource group, mm, the resource group name, for instance, like this. But I just want to show you, oops, the to do it, let's see, automatically or with parameters and etc. Now I have defined this storage name, which is used here. The storage, the container. I will try to create a container here. Container name should be container CLI 01. Now this command will create a container. Usually it takes a few seconds. Created. Now let me just check the container. It's here. Let me just go to containers. Now you can see here CLI container 01. But as you can see here, there's no data. There's no data here. So I need to upload some data to this. For that, I need to change here was my data was name was this one here. Copy. I will just change the name. Let me just go this. The local path, this one here. And you can also see the value of this in this file path. As you can see here, this is the value inside this. It's like define the variable. And this one here, I will copy, paste. This is my blob data, which is, as you can see here, in the beginning. This is data which is in this directory. Let me just collapse all of this. You can see it's here in the main directory and data. then data fruit dataset. Now I will see this is enough. Now I will try to upload this file here, this file to the container. And let me just copy this and run it here. Was created successfully. I will just show you. Now go back to the website. Let's just make a refresh. So CLI 01. Now you can see the data and also the data fruits. This is how to do it with CLI commands. So for instance, genau. So use this public access is just to make it private or somehow public. So this is one parameter. So this is how to create a container in Azure Storage with CLI command lines. So by the way, let me just see this. As I said in the beginning, let me just clear this. So for instance, I'm using Visual Studio Code terminal. You can also use the terminal in your PC in any. Let's see this one here. Open the terminal. You can also run it here. And if you don't have this, or let's say you have some issues, you can also run it in your Azure portal Azure. You have a cloud shell, as you can see. Just right click, just click here, and it will try to create or let you open a terminal PowerShell, and you can type the commands as I explained in this here. It will be also created. Okay, so in the next video, I will try to show you how to do this, creating a container inside any storage account, but not via Python, not via CLI, but via Azure DevOps pipelines, as I said in the beginning in the previous videos. I will try to create a CLI, Azure CLI, but for the creating the container and also uploading the file into the container. That's it for today, and thanks for watching, and see you next time.